Ever seen a strange light flash on your car dashboard and wondered what it means? Some lights warn of small issues, others signal serious trouble. Understanding them can save your car, money, and safety before problems get worse on road. So, in today's video, we're breaking down the most important dashboard warning lights and explaining exactly what they mean and what you should do when they appear. Color meaning of warning lights. Dashboard warning lights come in different colors, and each color shows urgency. Green or blue lights show normal functions. Yellow or orange lights mean caution and should be checked soon. Red lights are most serious and often need immediate attention to prevent damage or safety risks while driving. Always take these signals seriously to avoid bigger problems. Check engine light. One of the most common warning lights is the check engine light. It appears when the engine control system detects a fault in sensors or wiring. If any sensor fails, the system cannot work properly and the light turns on. The car may still run, but performance becomes weak. In serious cases, the engine may not start. A mechanic uses a scan tool to find the issue and fix it. Battery warning light. Battery warning light shows your car is not charging properly. The alternator keeps the battery charged while engine runs. If it fails, the car slowly loses power and eventually stops. Causes include faulty alternator, broken belt, loose wires, or a weak battery. Quick inspection and replacement of damaged parts usually solve issue. Engine temperature warning light. Engine temperature warning light appears when the engine becomes too hot. Engines create heat and need coolant to stay cool. Coolant flows through engine and radiator, where it is cooled and sent back. If there is a leak, broken pump, blocked radiator, or faulty fan, the system cannot cool the engine, causing serious damage. The car should be stopped and checked. Airbag warning light. Airbag warning light means there is a fault in the safety system. Airbags depend on sensors, modules, and inflators to work in a crash. If any part fails, the airbag may not deploy. This is a serious issue because airbags help protect passengers during accidents. The system should be checked immediately by a trained mechanic to find and fix the fault. ABS warning light. Anti-lock braking system, ABS, helps prevent wheel lock during hard braking so you can still steer safely. It applies and releases brakes many times per second to keep control. If the ABS light turns on, it may be due to low brake fluid, faulty wheel sensors, worn pads, or pump issues. A faulty ABS system reduces safety during emergency stops. Power steering warning light. Power steering warning light shows a problem with steering support. Hydraulic systems use fluid and a pump driven by the engine, while electric systems use a motor and sensors. If there is a leak, pump failure, or sensor fault, steering becomes heavy and difficult. This makes driving unsafe, especially at low speeds. The system should be checked quickly. Glow plug warning light. Glow plug warning light appears in diesel cars during cold starts. Glow plugs heat the engine chamber so the fuel can burn properly. The light turns off when the engine is ready to start. If it stays on or blinks, it means there is a fault in the system, which can make starting the engine difficult in cold weather. Immobilizer warning light. Immobilizer warning light is part of your car's security system. It checks if the correct key is being used to start the vehicle. If the code does not match, the engine will not start and the light stays on. This system helps prevent theft and ensures only the registered key can operate the car safely. Engine oil pressure warning light. Engine oil pressure warning light shows oil is not circulating properly inside the engine. Without proper oil flow, engine parts can wear quickly or get damaged. Causes include low oil level, oil pump failure, or worn engine parts. Regular oil checks and timely changes help prevent serious engine damage and keep the vehicle running smoothly. Tire pressure warning light. Tire pressure warning light shows that one or more tires have low air pressure. This can happen due to punctures, slow leaks, or temperature changes. Driving with low tire pressure can affect control, fuel use, and safety. Checking and inflating tires regularly helps keep driving safe and smooth on the road. That's a quick guide to the most important dashboard warning lights every driver should know. Understanding these signals can help you avoid breakdowns and expensive repairs. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more simple car knowledge and useful tips. Stay safe on the road, and always pay attention to your dashboard warnings. Please stay.